Welcome back to FM Coins. Today, we're going to uncover something truly amazing, the rare and valuable 20-cent coins that could be hiding in your wallet or coin jar right now. These small coins may look ordinary, but some of them hold incredible collector value, turning a simple 20-cent piece into something worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Before we jump into the list of the most valuable ones, let's take a quick look at the interesting history of the 20-cent coin. The 20-cent coin has been a part of Malaysia's currency system for decades, first introduced after independence to replace the old colonial-era coins. Over the years, its design, size, and metal composition have changed, from the early Queen Elizabeth II and Malaya British Borneo issues to the modern Malaysian series featuring national symbols and designs. Early issues were struck in cupro nickel, while later versions came in nickel brass and other alloys, depending on the minting period. Some of these older coins, especially those minted with limited numbers, minting errors, or rare year markings, have now become highly collectible. Collectors around the world are hunting for these rare 20-cent pieces, and some have sold for surprisingly high prices online. So stay tuned till the end, because we're about to reveal the most valuable 20-cent coins that are still out there. And who knows, one of them might be in your pocket right now. Now we will talk about the 1992 20-cent coin, a coin that has shocked collectors across Asia and beyond with its unbelievable value. On the surface, this coin looks like any other ordinary piece of change that might pass through your hands every day in a small, silver-colored coin featuring the beautiful Wow Bulan, or moon kite, design that symbolizes Malaysia's rich cultural heritage. But beneath its simple appearance lies a fascinating story of rarity, error, and hidden fortune. Some rare versions of this coin have fetched prices that no one could have imagined, with verified sales and collector estimates reaching an astonishing $55,000. Yes, a single 1992 20-cent coin has been valued at the price of a brand new luxury car, all because of a few tiny imperfections and unique details that make it truly one of a kind. The reason for this incredible value lies in the minting process and the limited number of coins that came out with these rare characteristics. During 1992, the Royal Malaysian Mint produced millions of 20-cent coins, but not all of them were perfectly struck. A handful came out with minting errors, and it's these mistakes that turn the coin into a collector's dream. Some of the most sought-after errors include off-center strikes, where the design appears slightly shifted from its original position, double die errors, where the numbers or letters appear doubled or shadowed, and die cracks, which leave raised lines or patterns across the coin's surface. Other rare pieces were struck using proof dies, resulting in a flawless, mirror-like finish that makes the coin gleam unlike any other. Collectors place immense value on such details, as each error tells a story about the minting process and how rare that particular variation might be. Over time, most of the 1992 20-cent coins went into circulation, got scratched, or were simply forgotten. That's what makes the surviving uncirculated or proof quality specimens so incredibly valuable today. When authenticated and graded by international grading companies, like PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, or NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, their value can skyrocket. In fact, coins certified in mint state conditions have already been sold and auctioned for tens of thousands of dollars, with one verified example reportedly selling for around $55,000. Setting a record in Malaysian coin history. The design of this coin adds even more appeal. The obverse side features the proud Wow Bulan kite, representing grace, culture, and national identity, while the reverse side shows the denomination and year of minting, 1992. Over time, the 20-cent coins from this era have become symbols of Malaysia's growing numismatic culture, where small pocket change has transformed into a global collectible phenomenon. So if you happen to come across a 1992 20-cent coin, don't dismiss it as ordinary because it might be a fortune. Now we will talk about the 2001 20-cent coin, another incredible Malaysian coin that has surprised collectors with its high value and rarity. While most people think coins from the early 2000s are too new to be valuable, the 2001 20-cent proves that even modern coins can turn into hidden treasures. At first glance, it looks like any ordinary coin used in daily transactions. Small, silver-colored, and featuring the familiar Wow Bulan moonkite design. But some rare versions of the 2001 20 SEN coin have fetched astonishing prices, with collectors paying as much as $35,000 for special error or proof quality pieces. The 2001 issue is part of the second series of Malaysian coins and is known for its unique variations. During minting, a small number of coins were struck with minting errors that make them extremely rare. Some coins were off-center struck, showing part of the design cut off. Others had double die errors, where the year 2001 or the text Bank Negara Malaysia appears slightly doubled or shadowed. There have also been reports of die rotation errors, where the front and back designs don't align perfectly, and planche errors, in which the coin was made on the wrong metal disc or with incomplete edges. Each of these mistakes adds incredible collector value because such coins are nearly impossible to find in circulation. What makes the 2001 20 SEN coin even more valuable is its condition. Coins that remain in perfect, uncirculated, or proof-like state can sell for thousands, especially when authenticated by professional grading services like PCGS or NGC. A perfectly preserved 2001 20 SEN coin with a rare error could be worth up to $35,000, depending on its uniqueness and demand in the market. Many collectors in Malaysia, Singapore, and even international buyers are now searching for this particular coin, hoping to uncover one of these high-value pieces. The 2001 coin marks a significant period in Malaysia's coinage history. It was one of the final years before major design changes began in the following decade. Because of that, and the small number of rare errors minted during that time, it holds both historical and monetary value. Its stunning shine, elegant national design, and potential rarity make it a true modern treasure. So before you spend your change, take a close look at any 2001 20 SEN coins you might have. Check for errors, doubling, or unusual shine, because that simple-looking coin in your wallet could actually be worth $35,000, making it one of the most valuable 20 SEN coins ever discovered in recent years. Now we will talk about the 2011 20 SEN coin, one of the most mysterious and valuable modern Malaysian coins that has amazed collectors around the world. At first, it looks like a simple coin from everyday circulation, small, bright, and featuring the elegant design of the Wow Bulan moonkite. But few people know that some rare versions of this 2011 20 SEN coin have been sold for as much as $22,000, making it one of the most expensive coins from Malaysia's modern era. The 2011 issue marks the final year of Malaysia's second coin series before the introduction of the redesigned third series in 2012. This transition period created a unique situation where a few 2011 coins were struck with minting inconsistencies and errors that went unnoticed for years. These rare coins became highly sought after once collectors began identifying them. Some 2011 20 SEN coins were found with off-center strikes, where the design is slightly misplaced. Others had double die errors, causing the text or numbers to appear doubled. There are also reports of wrong planche errors, where the coin was accidentally struck on the metal blank of another denomination, a minting mistake that makes any coin instantly valuable. What makes the 2011 20 SEN coin even more special is that it bridges two coin design eras. It was one of the last to feature the traditional Wow Bulan before the 2012 version introduced the new hibiscus motif. Because of that, collectors see the 2011 coin as historically significant, the end of a classic design that had been used for decades. Rare, uncirculated, or error-free specimens with full shine and sharp edges are already selling for hundreds, but error coins or proof-quality versions have gone far beyond that, fetching up to $22,000 in private collector sales and auctions. These coins are often graded and authenticated by major international agencies like PCGS and NGC, and when certified in perfect mint state, their value rises dramatically. Coins with visible striking errors or mirror-like proof surfaces are considered extremely rare, often existing in quantities of less than a few dozen worldwide. So if you happen to come across a 2011 20 SEN coin, don't overlook it. Examine it carefully. Check for unusual patterns, doubling, or alignment issues. That tiny difference could mean you're holding one of the rarest coins of Malaysia's modern era. A simple coin from your pocket could be worth an unbelievable $22,000, proving once again that hidden treasures still exist in everyday change. So there you have it, some of the most rare and valuable 20 SEN coins that could still be out there in circulation, waiting to be discovered. From the shocking 1992 coin worth $55,000 to the 2001 coin valued at $35,000 and the 2011 coin that sold for $22,000, these small pieces of metal have proven that even everyday coins can turn into treasures worth a fortune. Each one carries a story of minting eras, rarity, and historical significance that makes it priceless to collectors around the world. So before you spend your next 20-cent coin, take a moment to look closely. Check for unusual marks, shine, or errors, because you might be holding something truly special. A coin worth thousands of dollars. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can check their coins too. And don't forget to stay connected with FM Coins, where we uncover the world's most valuable and rare coins that might just be hiding in your pocket. Thanks for watching. And remember, your next coin could make you rich.